What's the meaning of coven? Coven. Coven.
Coven. Coven. A coven is a group of witches who come together to perform rituals and celebrate the cycles of nature, often with a focus on magic. The term is most commonly associated with Wiccan or neo-pagan traditions. Covens typically have a hierarchical structure, with a high priestess or high priest serving as the group's leader. Members may also hold specific roles and responsibilities within the coven. Covens provide a sense of community and support for those who practice witchcraft, and can be a powerful tool for personal and spiritual growth.